All right, what's going on, boys? We're gonna get into the trade recap for today. I actually took a loss today. Yeah, just get straight into it. So coming into the day, originally I wanted us to come down and sweep London lows. We failed to do so by like less than 20 points. We had tapped NWOG, which means okay, we're probably gonna go higher, but I thought that if we tapped NWOG, we should have already immediately started ripping off there. So I thought we could come down to London lows at least. Failed to do that, then we just started ripping throughout the entire morning. Then we come into a 1 hour fair value gap here, right below London highs. We tapped the 1 hour fair value gap, and there was an inflection point here. That's what I was looking at. So in my head, I'm looking at this inflection point, looking for a rejection off it to short off this level. Then we go to the 1 minute, and we get a 1 minute IFEG right here, which is where I took my entry. I took the entry at the IFEG. I had originally placed my stops right here. Look, I had them like right here. But I actually closed a trade earlier. The reason for that is because, let me turn this candle on right here. The 4 hour candle, right? So the 4 hour candle is here. I saw what could have been AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or PO3. Power of 3. So in my head, I saw after I entered the trade is when I saw this. So we have accumulation, manipulation, and we manipulated into this 5 minute fair value gap. And then in my head, I'm like, okay, we're gonna start distributing and probably target London highs, because as soon as we engulfed this candle right here with this candle, I was like, okay, we're gonna keep going higher. We're not going to get the short that I want. So I closed the trade earlier, right? I closed my trade earlier right here, 42 points, only entered with 4 micros, super small sizing, lost like 335, which is not bad at all. And then price just started delivering towards where I wanted to, but I was already done for the day, so I wasn't going to take another trade. Price action wasn't the best here. And I mean, for longs down here, I saw like an okay setup, which would have been this one right here. Where is it? Right here. I would have taken this. This is like the only valid setup I saw. Targeting these highs, which wouldn't even have got hit. I wouldn't have taken this because this is not my model. But I mean, I guess I can see how someone would have taken that. Really fat stops. But yeah, my trade for the day, small L. I closed earlier, which is fine. Actually better because I would have stopped out for more points. But yeah, small loss on the day. I really wanted us to sweep. Oh, we also tapped into a 4 hour above also. But yeah, I really wanted us to come and take out London lows. We never got that move down, and we just started ripping from there. Honestly, if there was something I wish I would have done, was probably waited for London highs if it ever got tapped, and if not, I would have just logged off at around 11, which that would have saved me from trading today, but it's all right. Took a loss today, small loss, nothing too crazy. But yeah, that's really it for the day, boys. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next trade recap. We're gonna catch a banger tomorrow. We have NFP tomorrow, which is pretty fire. Also, I don't know if you guys been seeing my TikTok. If you haven't, make sure to follow. It's the same handle, official EA Trading. And bro, there's this guy who posted something, and it was like, yeah, if your boy's having a bad day, your boy's taking a loss, SMT at the lows. SMT at the lows. Like, we got to go higher. SMT at, this is what this is. This is SMT at the lows. But yeah, see you boys tomorrow.